How to assemble the Leisurecraft 46-inch round table with seats. Here are the tools you will need. Step 1. Unpacking. Open the box that contains the seats and tabletop. Save the packaging to rest the parts on, so as not to cause damage. Set the seats aside and place the tabletop upside down on the packaging box. Step 2. Leg assembly. Locate and open the box that contains the leg assembly and hardware. Notice that the left and right legs are labeled accordingly. Attach the first set of right and left legs using bolt A. Washers B on both sides of slot, and finally, nut C, as shown. Note, it is important that you only finger tighten the bolts during this step to adjust for fit. You will fully tighten all the bolts with tools during a later step. Step 3. Leg assembly. Repeat the previous step by attaching the third and fourth set of legs at the appropriate locations as shown. Steps 4 and 5. Leg alignment. Verify that all legs have been attached. The orientation should match this illustration with left and right legs in alternating positions. Step 6. The center brace. Locate the center brace. Step 7. Attaching the center brace. Line up the center brace tab slot with the leg tab slots and attach with bolt A. Washers B on both sides of slots, and nut C as shown. Steps 8 and 9. Tightening the bolts. While on a flat surface, you can now use the tools to tighten all of the bolts before the next step. Step 10. Flip the table. With help from several adults, turn the table over and upright onto the legs. Step 11. Align the seats. Carefully align the seat rib slots with the seat tab slots on the legs. And step 12. Attach the seats. Attach all 4 seats using bolt A, washers B on both sides of slot, and finally nut C. Fully tighten all of the nuts and bolts with the tools. Thank you for watching. You can now enjoy your Leisurecraft table.